reaction time. I have 6 months of a tea subscription box for you guys. Ah! Okay, so with my move and everything that was going on in my life, I have 6 months worth of Sips by to unbox for you guys. That's my bad. My B dudes. You may see only 5 boxes and go like, hey, Ashley, why do you only have 5 boxes for 6 months? And then I'll go like, because USPS really did me dirty when I moved, and I think a lot of my packages went to the mail recovery center and they may never be seen again. And that kind of stinks. Am I getting my head cut off? I don't know. Who knows? Only God knows. So anyway, if you're not familiar with Sips by, their price did recently just go up to $16. You do get 4 teas in each box. When you sign up for Sips by, they do like a personalized style survey, like what flavors you like. Do you like caffeinated? Do you like not caffeinated? Just a whole bunch of questions about what you like. And then they send you a box of tea and some disposable tea bags, because a lot of the tea that you get is loose leaf. And then from there, you tell them each month what you liked, what you didn't like. So you can kind of, I would call this more than like a tea of the month. I would call it like a tea discovery club. So that you can like find new brands that you like. I found out about so many different teas. I know my bed isn't made properly. Like, I didn't want to take the time to like do it the right way. That's my bad. All right, so let's find as far back as we can go. None of these have been opened. This is July. Ooh, July. Wow, that month came and went. June, so we'll probably be starting here. Maybe not, maybe so. I have no clue. October, that's the month we're in. Yay! So there should be an August one, I'm thinking is the one that's missing. September. No, unless we have a, this is a May, then I have all of them. I received all of my Sips. No, yes, the August one is missing. So this is May. So yes, this is 6 months of Sips by. Anyway, so this is May's Teas. The insert tells us all about the tea and a little more about the company. And then you do get discounts online if you subscribe to the actual retailer's website. So if you want to buy more. All right, so just so you guys know, my own flavor profile is like, I love herbal teas at night, and I like caffeinated teas during the day, but I prefer more herbal teas because I do drink coffee. Also, I love floral teas. So I like a good mix, but I love florals. That's my thing. I also like Ayurvedic stuff. I love to try like things that are supposed to be calming and relaxing and help you sleep, even though lately I have been having no trouble sleeping. All right, so here's our disposable tea bags. These come in every box from Sips by, and then they come in this reusable tea bag, which I use for my chicken soup, like the bones and necks and all that jazz. All right, so right here on top from Organic India are 4 bags. Now these are actually bag teas. This is Tulsi Honey Chamomile, stress relieving and calming caffeine-free tea. I do love this tea. I've not had this specific one, but very nice for a night of coziness, snuggling. The weather is giving me this kind of a vibe, so I'll take it. All right, then we have a loose leaf tea. This is from Happy Luckies, who I've never heard of. This is their caffeinated green tea in a lemon dragon. Like the packaging, super cute. And in here we have green tea, lemon oil, organic lemon myrtle, and lemon peel. Lemon, 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 lemon. All right, ooh, this looks fun. Oh, this looks fun. All right, so this is Magic Moon Sparkling Rose Loose Leaf Tea. Ingredients: apple, white tea, rosehip peel, candied pineapple, edible gold coloring, hibiscus, rose petals, rose buds, natural flavoring, and it does contain caffeine. So I love the packaging. I love that it has rose in it. It sounds like it's going to be like gold, and that's freaking cool. So I'm really excited for this. Not going to lie. All right, the final tea in May's box is from Oregon Tea Traders. This is the black tea Victorian quality. This just has black tea and rose petals. Look, see, they know me. I really feel like Sips by nails it on the head every month. Like, they know me. It's so cool. So this does run the gamut too. I want to say every single tea has like stuff that I like. Like, I love lemon. You guys know that. This one is like a herbally, like, you know what I mean? And then the two other teas have rose in them, and then they do run the gamut. Like, this is caffeine free. We have a white tea, which is really low caffeine. We have a green tea, medium caffeine, and then you have a black tea, which is high caffeine, which I think is really cool. So that's my May box. Love it. Let's go to June, because sequentially, that's the next month. All right. Again, an insert, and again, our disposable tea bags. I'm going to spare you the, you know, that stuff. All right, right on top here is from the Republic of Tea. This is their chai, Republic chai. In their chai, they use black tea, cinnamon, orange peel, ginger, cardamom seeds, Chinese star anise, cloves, and black pepper. There are 4 bags. These are the circular bags. I am noticing the older I get, I used to love chai lattes, but I don't like, I'm going to say it, and I know I'm going to make so many people pissed off. I don't like cardamom. I really don't like cardamom. I just don't like it. There, I said it. I admit it. I don't like it. It's the older I get, the more I'm like, nope, I'm not gonna keep trying. All right, so I'll probably give these to my daughters or something. They'll make a latte. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, keeping it moving here. Something cute. This is a fun. Ooh, this is from, what is the name of this company? There's no art. Oh, it's Art of Tea. They make beautiful, beautiful teas. I love their packaging. I'm a total sucker. They suck me in every time. Look at that. 4 bags here. This is their mint green tea. In here we have a green tea blend, grassy, minty, smooth with medium caffeine. Organic spearmint, organic peppermint, organic green tea. Boom. Simple. No, can't smell it. I thought I might be able to, but I can't. All right, next up we have from Trader Nick's Tea Company. This is the white tea, sweet lavender cream Duchess tea. This is a loose leaf tea. In here we have white tea, apple, pineapple, red peppercorns, flavor. Ooh, I love flavor. Fennel, melissa leaves, rooibos, Greek mountain tea. I don't know what is Greek mountain tea. Chamomile, lemon, verbena, and lavender. That sounds very like decadent, and I think I need to try it. So this is a white tea, so it has low caffeine, I'm guessing, because, yeah, low caffeine. All right, finally, we have 2 of these packages from a company I've never heard of called Cherry Valley Organics. This is pineapple, sage, and rosemary. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's from Pennsylvania. I don't know where Cherry Valley is though. But anyway, it says here, certified organic by Pennsylvania Certified Organic. Cool. So in here we have pineapple, sage, and rosemary. That's it. This is an herbal tea. It's caffeine free. So for our June box, we have our caffeine free pineapple, sage, rosemary tea, which I love rosemary. Do I ever tell you guys that? I actually grow it. I love it. We have a low caffeine Duchess tea. We have the mint tea from Art of Tea, which is medium caffeine. And then we have Republic of Tea's chai, which is high caffeine, black tea. All right. All right, so let's move on to July. We're just powering through. We've got tea out the wazoo. All right, anyways. I'm sorry, that's so weird of me to say. But we're going to keep going here. All right. There's our insert. Here are our tea bags. We're going to just start pulling things up. First up is from Trunk Bar. This is a really cool package with an elephant on it. I think that's neat. These are bags. This is King's Light Tea, Black Tea Herbal Infusion. It doesn't say what's in here, but I'm going to look at the insert right now. In here we have apple, pomance, black tea, rosehip seeds, rooibos, sweet blackberry leaves, elderberry flowers, peppermint, natural flavors, rhubarb pieces, and mullein flowers. This does contain caffeine. All right, then from Sol Mate, we have organic yerba mate mocha blend. That sounds exciting. Organic yerba, cocoa, coffee, coconut milk, vanilla, and raw coconut sugar. This sounds like a delight. It doesn't actually sound... It sounds like you wouldn't even... It sounds like you'd put it in the... You wouldn't put it in a bag. It sounds like something you just like, kind of like a mixture. But we'll find out when I open it up. All right. Then from Calafia Tea, who is new to me too, and also clearly has very cool packaging, is the Orange Pineapple Green Loose Leaf Tea. This is green sencha tea with orange peel, pineapple, and coconut. Very cool. This is the loose leaf tea. Then from Ticino is the prebiotic herbal tea and macadamia nut made with organic herbs, acid-free, caffeine-free. So if you have tummy issues and you don't like coffee and tea for that reason, a lot of times if I oversteep tea, if it's even in there like, and it's black tea, I get a really weird tummy ache, and it's the tannins in it. I looked it up. So I'm very careful with that. All right, so in this we have Kara, barley, chicory, prebiotic, super boost. So there's all sorts of dates, almonds, macadamia nut flavor, and figs. So it does have obviously nuts in it. It says macadamia nut on it. All right, so for our July box, we have the macadamia nut caffeine-free tea. We have the, which one is this? This is a green loose leaf, and this one is also, okay. This is the green tea. We have a black tea, and then we have a highly caffeinated, if you're not familiar with yerba mate, this is Argentinian, highly caffeinated yerba mate. I believe that's high caffeine, I'm pretty sure. Yes, high caffeine. I was right. All right, moving along here. September, we're getting closer to current. September insert, tea bags. Ooh, okay. So the last time they sent me, this is a company called Off Black. They sent me an herbal tea. It was called like cranberry something. And that sounded really good to me until I tried it. And I was like, don't like it. So this though is a sleep and breezy chamomile and peach flavor. Lemongrass, which I love, chamomile, rosehip, apple pieces, flavorings, blackberry leaves, no BS. So it is 0 caffeine, which is kind of cool. There are 4 bags here. I'll see if I like this one. It does have a fruit like in it though, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna really love it. I just don't like, they're heavy on flavor, and I don't know if I can get with that. Like, I know some people love that. It's not for me so much. All right. Absurd Sweet Orange Green Tea. Taste Powerful Teas. Absurd Sweet Orange Green Tea. My Mentalities. This is from My Mentalities. It is a loose leaf. In this we have, hold on, let me look here. Young Hyson Chinese Green Tea, all natural flavor, orange peel pieces, and safflower petals. So this is a medium caffeine blend. All right, fine. Second to last, and here we have the Beekeeper Gray Tea from Beach House Teas. This has organic black tea, organic bee pollen, organic Washington lavender, and pure extract. This is also, I don't know if you can see the pollen in it. That's crazy. This is obviously going to be a high caffeine tea because it is a black tea. Yes. Oh, it says medium, but medium at your own risk. How about that? All right. Chim Chim Cherry. Oh, my daughter's home from school. This is a white tea from Trader Nick's Tea Company, who was in one of the other boxes. This is their sweet cherry, vanilla, and hibiscus. So you know it's going to have a bright red color. In here we have apple, white tea, hibiscus, rosehip peel, elderberries, beetroot, rose petals, blackberry leaves, sour cherry pieces, flavor, and vanilla pieces. So we have our black tea. We have this green tea, which is a medium caffeine. We have this low caffeine white tea, and then we have an herbal. All right, we're gonna move on to October. Hopefully we have some fun Halloween inspired teas. What do you guys think? You think there's gonna be some in here? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I don't know. You like that song? Good stuff. All right, insert. tea bags. We've done this before. This all feels very familiar. First up, we have Organic India's Tulsi Peppermint. Ooh, peppermint tea is nice. And this is obviously going to be caffeine free. There are 4 bags here. Tulsi is in this box quite a bit. And for good reason. They are a very good tea brand. All right, next up we have from the Irie Cup Premium Whole Leaf Teas. This is the pomegranate, hibiscus, green tea, rose hip pieces, hibiscus petals, and natural flavors. And it's organic compliant. This is loose leaf. It is a green tea, so it's gonna have like a medium caffeine level. All right, second to last, we have from David's Tea, Cream of Earl Grey, rich, creamy, and classic. Organic black tea, natural cream of Earl Grey flavoring, cornflowers, and organic marigolds. That sounds very like decadent as well. There are 4 bags. David's makes really nice tea. And then finally, the final tea. Whew, I feel like I've been teed it up this whole time. The final tea in our box for the month of October is Bourbon Ginger Pear White Tea from Nelson's Tea. This tea has green rooibos, ginger root, white tea, elderflower, cornflower, dried pears, and natural flavoring. So in our final October box, we have a white tea, which is a, oh no, this is green rooibos. So it's gonna have like a low caffeine, I think, rooibos, right? Low caffeine, yep, I was right. And then the David's Tea's Earl Grey, that's black tea. It's gonna have a high caffeine. This pomegranate hibiscus is green tea. It's gonna have a medium caffeine. And then of course we have our peppermint tea, which has no caffeine. So it is caffeine free. I am going to link down below to Sips-By. They do send me this box each month to review. They also have an affiliate program I'm part of. So if you click the link down below, it gives me a little credit, a little bonus for making this video on top of their wonderful teas that I'm sharing with you guys. I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you drink tea or if you're a coffee gal or if you're a no, maybe you like hot cocoa. Hot cocoa is good. Anyway, having said all that, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.